This is the video where Excel gets smart. Everything so far was math. Now we teach the spreadsheet to make a decision. It's called IF. And honestly, it's the most important function in this whole series. Part 7 of 10, let's go. Here's the idea. IF asks a yes or no question, and then picks the answer. The formula has 3 parts. First, the test, like B2 greater than or equal to 40. That's either true or false, never maybe. Then the 2 answers, what to show if it's true and what to show if it's false. One warning, text answers need quotes around them. Back to our marks. Bina scored 38, and the pass mark is 40. So I write, if B3 greater than or equal to 40, then pass, in quotes, fail, in quotes. Bina's answer? Fail. Harsh, but honest. Fill it down, and the whole result column decides itself. Now the fun part. The answers don't have to be words. Sell over 10,000 and you earn 5%. So the true branch is B2 times 5%, and the false branch is just 0. Amit sold 12,400, so his bonus is 620. A real calculation, sitting inside one IF. What if the decision needs 2 tests? Give if 2 brains. And means both tests must pass. Pass mark in English and maths, or no diploma. Or is the generous one. Any single test is enough. They answer the test, and if turns it into words. Perfect together. Now the grade ladder. 80 or above is an A. 60 to 79 is a B. Below that, a C. That's a decision inside a decision. A nested if. Excel checks the first rung, then the next, then stops at the first true one. Count your brackets carefully. This is where beginners sweat. If nesting makes you sweat, meet IFS. The same ladder, but flat. Test, answer, and finish with true as a catch-all. No brackets to juggle. It needs Excel 2019 or Microsoft 365, but on modern Excel, it's the tidy way. One habit that saves reports. If marks are still missing, don't let zeros sneak in. Use I to check for a blank cell and show pending until the number arrives. Missing data should look missing, not like a fake 0. Same trick guards you against divide by 0 errors. 3 traps. 1. Bare text. Pass without quotes gives you a name error. Always quote your words. 2. Leaving out the third argument. If, with only 2 parts, prints false when you expected a blank. 3. The boundary slip. Greater than 40 fails a student with exactly 40. Decide your edge on purpose. Quick recap. If, 1 test, 2 answers. And or for double tests. Nested if for the grade ladder. Ifs for the tidy version, and the blank check that keeps reports clean. Screenshot this one. Every real spreadsheet uses it. And that's if, the function that turns a spreadsheet into a decision maker. Next up, we count things that pass the test. COUNTIF. Like it, save it, and tell me in the comments what you want after that.